Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jasna Chandran. Here I am going to discuss about the essential supplements and eye exercise for a good eye health. Researchers says the age group above 55 years having increased incidence of getting age-related eye diseases such as cataract, glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy and age-related macular degeneration, so on and so forth. For these kind of diseases, the essential supplements to incorporate in our day-to-day life, day-to-day food habits is very essential. The nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, omega-3 fatty acids and beta-carotenoids, which has to be incorporated in our daily food items. So first let us discuss about vitamin C. So vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid, which is a water soluble vitamin, and it is rich in antioxidant, and it is having a function that is protecting the molecules such as proteins, carbohydrate, DNA and RNA. So as it is protecting these all molecules, proteins are very rich in lens cells. So it is having a main function to support the lens. So it is very essential for the healthy lens in our eye. So let me introduce some food items which is very rich in vitamin C. They are gooseberries, blackberries, blueberries, cabbage, cauliflower, grapefruit, green pepper, orange, papaya, potato, spinach, strawberries, tomato. Next, let's have a discussion on vitamin E. Vitamin E is also called as tocopherol, and which is a fat soluble vitamin which is rich in antioxidant, which is maintained actively in the body and also formed in blood and tissues. So which is mainly essential for the retinal health. So let's have a discussion on the vitamin E rich food which is essential for the body. They are almonds, corn oils, peanuts, peanut butter, sunflower seeds, soybean oil and veggie oil. So the next supplement is zinc. Zinc is very essential as it is helping for the cell signaling, and it is mainly for the optic nerve, for the nerve impulse transmission. So let me have a discussion on the zinc rich food in the body such as almonds, beans, beef, cereals, cheese, chicken, cornflakes, milk, oysters, peanuts, pork and yogurt. So next one is beta carotene. So what is beta carotene? Beta carotene, which is an orange pigment which is mainly found in vegetables and fruits, and it also a primary dietary source of provitamin A. Next one is lutein as well as zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthins are also carotenoids pigment which is essentially available in green leafy vegetables. So lutein is mainly helpful for the macular health and zeaxanthin for the rod cell. So what is macular health? What is rods? Macula is a portion which is seen in the inner part of the eye. So the mainly eye is divided into three portions: outer, middle and inner. So inner one is the retina. In the central portion of retina, we could find macula, which is essential for our central vision. And rods are the cells. Rods are the cells which are mainly useful for our night vision. So let me tell which all are the food items which is essential in carotenoids. They are almonds, carrot, lettuce, pepper, pumpkin, spinach, sweet potatoes. So the last one is omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids have many functions. They are anti-inflammatory, they are antioxidant, and which will be helping for the proper blood circulation, so that it can remove the atherosclerotic changes and it can help for the proper blood circulation. So it is very essential for the retinal health, and studies have shown that the content of omega-3 fatty acids have shown very much improvement in age-related macular degeneration conditions. Let me tell you the food items which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. They are the fishes that are sardine fish, shrimp fishes and avocado and soya bean. So these all are about supplements. Next one will be eye exercise. Mainly eye exercise are eye washes, blinking, rotation, focusing near and far objects, then palming. So the first one is eye wash. So for eye wash, you can take an eye cup. So make Triphala Kashaya out of Triphala powder, or if not Triphala, then just with warm water. Dip your eye into the eye cup and blink it for 10 to 20 times a day. And next one is blinking exercise. In blinking exercise, we have to do forceful blinking of the eye for 10 to 20 times. Next one is rotation exercise. In rotation exercise, we have to rotate our eyeball either to anti-clockwise or clockwise direction. Do it for 10 times a day. Next one is far and near focusing. In this exercise, look at a far object without blinking till the tear come out from your eyes. Shift your focus to your near object, which is at least of 25 centimeter distance away, for few seconds. Then repeat this exercise for 5 to 10 times a day. The last exercise is palming exercise. Rub your both palms together. Let the heat come out from your hands and keep these palms over your eyes. This exercise will help to relax your muscles. These supplements and eye exercise would really help for preventing the upcoming disease or to stop or slow down the progression of the disease. Hope this video is helpful. Take care of your health, take care of your eyes, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.